This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the September 2022 release. The full list of features can be found in the September 2022 version 20.22.9 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month we're highlighting the following features. With assignments, instructors can save time by copying assignments to their other courses. 2 new features for quizzes. Reduce test anxiety by creating quizzes without time limits, and align quiz questions to learning outcomes in the new quiz creation experience. Automate asynchronous group creation with the Copy Course Components and CCB in Groups and Section Management. Choose the last date of enrollment in the current org unit with the Release Conditions tool. And finally, a summary of changes for all the other features this month. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. Instructors can now copy assignments to other courses. This requires the Assignments Copy to Other Courses permission on both courses. A copied assignment retains the following assignment attributes: assignment folder and its properties, including instructions, assignment category, and visibility; assignment properties, including description and category; attachments such as direct file attachments uploaded from Google Workspace or OneDrive, and audio and video files; grade item and grade category; availability dates; submission and completion information, including the optional grade item and course scheme; and any rubric or rubrics associated with the assignment. The following attributes are not copied to the new assignment destination: instruction quick links and attachment resources created with the attach link to existing activity action; instruction images added using insert stuff that were saved to course files; availability release conditions and special access settings; submission and completion information, including group assignment designation; evaluation and feedback information, including Turnitin associations, competency and outcome associations; and content topic associations, for example, if the assignment is linked from content. Please note that in some cases, references to links and images that are not copied may result in broken links. Navigate to Assignments and click the drop-down menu of the assignment that you wish to copy. Then, click Copy to Other Courses. From the Choose Destination drop-down menu, select the destination course. You can also choose to include rubrics and/or grade items when you copy the course. When finished, click Next, and then click Copy. The Assignments feature is available to all clients. This functionality is automatically enabled and is set to On if using the Assignments Copy to Other Courses workflow, or if copying content from the new content experience lessons. Otherwise, administrators can enable this with the configuration variable d2l.tools.dropbox.allow save and copy. In quizzes, instructors now have the option to create quizzes without requiring a time limit. The No Time Limit option is now the default timing setting for new quizzes. Previously, instructors who wished to create quizzes with no time limit had to use the Recommended Time Limit option, which was selected by default and set to 120 minutes. Navigate to Quizzes and either select New Quiz or select a quiz you wish to edit. Expand the Timing and Display menu and select No Time Limit for your quiz. If you are creating a new quiz, this is the default selection. The Quizzes feature implements the following PI items: D4441, No Time Limit enforced reinstated for quizzes; D3582, hide the quiz timing information, estimated length, in the student UI when there is no enforced time limit; and D4998, Quiz No Time Limit option. Thank you to Karen Sadler and to all those who put forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Quizzes feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. As part of the new quiz creation experience, instructors can now view and edit learning outcome alignments in relation to quiz questions. Instructors can add or remove outcome alignments by selecting a question and then clicking More Actions aligned to Standards. Questions have a visual tag to indicate if they are aligned to outcomes. Navigate to Quizzes and select a quiz you wish to edit. Check the box or boxes beside the question or questions you wish to align to a learning outcome. Then click More Actions, Align to Outcomes. Click Continue. Check the box or boxes beside the learning outcome or outcomes you wish to be aligned with the selected questions. Once completed, click Save. The questions are now marked with a label indicating which learning outcomes they are aligned with. This Quizzes feature is available to all clients using the new quiz creation experience and is automatically enabled. Building on the asynchronous group creation feature released in April 2022, version 20.22.4, this feature implements group copying via copy course components and CCV. Groups copied via copy courses are done behind the scenes and no longer block further course copy items from completing. Previously, asynchronous group creation was implemented in the Groups tool and then automated with APIs. The Groups and Section Management feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. To help users with more flexibility around course design, the release condition date of enrollment in current org unit now includes the following options: use first enrollment date and use last enrollment date. This can also be used to set an intelligent agent. For example, for learners who have been enrolled more than once in the course, you can decide if the agent applies based on the first time or the last time they were enrolled. To create a release condition for an intelligent agent, navigate to Intelligent Agents and either click New Agent or select an existing agent. Under Criteria, Release Conditions, click Create. From the Condition Type drop-down menu, select Date of Enrollment in Current Org Unit. Enter the desired value into the Days Since Enrollment field. You can select either Use First Enrollment Date or Use Last Enrollment Date. Once you're finished, click Save and Close. The Release Conditions feature implements the following PI items. D8405 allow intelligent agents to check days based off the latest enrollment date, not the first, and D6684 reset intelligent agent schedule run dates upon re-enrollment. Thank you to Shelley Stewart and to all those who put forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Release Conditions feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. Brightspace Insights features usability improvements in new adoption dashboard. Select a start and end date for View All Work in Brightspace Parent and Guardian. In Brightspace Pulse, the plus button for manual dates in work to do is being retired. Easily access and view sections for specific users in the Class List tool. Improve search capabilities and multi-select with Google File Picker. In Groups and Section Management, users can now view section descriptions. With LTI, manage grade associations for LTI content in New Content Experience. In addition, Legacy LTI 1.1 automatically attempts to migrate to LTI Advantage 1.3 on course copy. And lastly, review and retake default updated with language and visual improvements in SCORE. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the September 2022 version 20.22.9 release notes on Brightspace Community. See you next month!